Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Right now it's the first week of February and the winter is about to go. And with winter, all our winter flowers are going to go away. For gardeners like us, marigold is the best flower to grow in winter. Marigolds are a mainstay in the gardens. They provide a cheerful and abundant color to all season long and are simple to grow from seed. But if you learn how to harvest marigold seeds, you won't have to buy new plants or seeds for the next growing season. Harvesting and saving marigold seeds is quick and easy. In a place like Delhi, where there is less sunlight and a lot of fog, insects often attack the plants. So time to time you must check your plant, and if your plant has any of these diseases, you must remove that part of the plant. Note that if your marigolds are hybrid varieties, their seeds may produce plants that don't resemble the parent producing the seeds. Instead, they may revert to one of the original plants used to produce hybridization. That is not a bad thing as long as you don't mind unpredictable variation in your garden. Now you might ask, when do we harvest the marigold seed? It's crucial to wait for the right time to take seeds from the marigolds. Plan to harvest the seeds when the petals are dry and the base of each bloom is turning brown. Marigold seeds look like pointy black and white silvers. These silvers are actually the marigold's fruits called achenes. Now let me tell you a helpful tip. It is okay to harvest the seed pods when there is still a little green at the base. But if you wait too long, you risk mold growth, which can ruin the seeds. First, pluck all your marigold flowers and then put them to dry. After you have done drying it, you must remove the marigold seeds like this. You have to store the seeds in a paper envelope in a cool, dark and dry place. Like this, you can also store these marigold flowers, and next year we will all plant them and fill our garden with these marigold flowers. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like our videos, then subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.